morning, everybody. It's going to be officially my first video I put out on my new YouTube channel called Trucker for Life. I'm going to a new pad. If you haven't seen anything about me, I do natural gas work. I drive trucks, all tankers, I'm all sand. Location I'm going to, I've been there before, technically not at this pad. It's a new pad for me. But I've been in the general area, so when I get close, I'm going to follow somebody. But just hang with me and I'll show you what I do. I live life in Frank Sanhall. Whenever you're ready, Stillhouse. Yeah, you got truck 25. Max me out. Give me 40 in the middle and rest in the back, please. Copy.
My wife and I'll pack up for me. Okay, pull forward. You go back to the gay lock. Sorry for the beacon dog. You guys can just call it the gray lock.
Okay, gay lock it is. I'm yeah, you told me that earlier. Heading to the pad for the first time. Taking you guys along.
About 3 times at the game land. We're going to have 18 coming back at us. We just go 4 forward and 4 after that 18.
Copy. Ain't too many times to see a box truck on that road.
That Paul stays down there off the woods. Could you go up to the next wide spot? Right is still clear.
Okay, guys. Yeah, staging pads for where we staged. It was 3 of us. So the first 2 went around the corner on the road we got to turn on. I'm actually on the road we was on, and I'm staging in a little wide spot. You got traffic, and they're going to tell us when to go. So hopefully we all go at the same time, because I've never been. I don't think none of us been, but we kind of know the area, general area. I've been in this area a bunch, but I've never been technically to this pad. So I will turn it off for now and I'll get back with you.
Scott, back up. I need backup. I use the fire radio. How long are you going to be clear off this bed?
Alright guys, we're at a different staging. It's kind of weird. Usually we have a big pad where we stage at, but right now we're staging on the side of the road. And I'll probably run it with less traffic, which is usually at night.
That three trucks are all 4070.
We'll see how we go with this. Alright guys, we are on location. We're just waiting to get back in and we can blow off our load of sand. Gotta put the monkey suit on. Gotta wear long sleeve shirts, FR pants, steel toe boots, sorry. Hard hat, safety glasses, special gloves, but I'll turn the camera around in a second and I'll get me going onto the pad and get me back in. Alright guys, here goes nothing. This is a tight pad. This Kenworth does not like to turn. Their turning radius sucks. Woo! Here we go. Got another camel lead pad clear to come off.
Whoever wants to come out, come on out.
Copy.
That would be the black hammer down there coming out.
That is I. I ain't gonna make it, bro, with the truck sitting there. They gotta do something about that, man. There's no way I can make that. Or next time I have to wait till he pulls out beside me. Alright guys, see if I can get a better light here. Anyway, it's been a long day. I'm gonna shut it down. You see what we deal with, some of the stuff we deal with in hauling the sand. They're all pads are not that way, but this happens to be a very tight pad. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe at the bottom, but the one thing I like to tell everybody who's driving trucks, you know what to do. Keep them wheels turning. Be safe out there. See you next time. Peace.